Hola, ¿cómo están otra vez? Today's lesson is uses of the word ya. Bueno, estudianticos, es muy importante, it's very important to know that there are three ways to pronounce the Y at the beginning of the word. Ya is the one that I say because I am from Medellin and this is the one that is common here, ya. But the most common pronunciation of the word would be ya. Also, in Argentina, they say ya. The first use that we will learn of the word ya is now. We say ya, meaning now, when we have the verb in present tense or imperative. Por ejemplo, ya vivo en Medellín o ven ya. The other translation for this is already. With already, we will use the pretérito indefinido or the pretérito perfecto, also called compuesto. Por ejemplo, ya comí. I already ate. Ya has ido. Have you already gone? The other translation is not anymore. In this case, we will need the word no with the ya, like ya no. And then, of course, you will have present tense or pretérito imperfecto. Por ejemplo, ya no quiero o ya no vivían allá. There are other uses for the word ya, but you will learn them in another lesson. For now, is find these three. I hope you start using them. Remember, if you want to have a private lesson with me, just contact me. All the info is in the description box. Ciao!